Welcome back. In some cases, what you're going to be delivering inside of a lecture is going to be a PDF. If that's the case, you're going to use the same process that you would with a downloadable file. You're going to come into an area, and what you're basically going to do is come into any module. You can highlight that module. You will then click the link button. You will then see the downloadable area, and this is where you're going to link and upload your PDF file. It's going to open up a system dialog box. When you click select file, you will then retrieve the PDF from your hard drive. File will then be in your file area inside of your page. You can highlight it. You can then click insert. That PDF will then be available here in this area. You're going to save the entire element. You'll then want to save the changes on your page. You'll then want to click the preview button so that you can test the PDF. You will come to that hyperlink. You can then click on this link for the PDF. And the PDF is then visible. Okay, so that thanks, and I will see you in another video.